भारत के विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर और जर्मनी की विदेश मंत्री अन्लेना बेयरबॉक के बीच द्विपक्षीय बैठक हुई। इस दौरान भारत ने जर्मनी को पाकिस्तान के साथ जमीनी हालत से अवगत कराया। साथ ही कहा कि दोनों देशों के बीच बातचीत के लिए माहौल अनुकूल क्यों नहीं है। विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि आतंकवाद के रहते पाकिस्तान के साथ कोई बातचीत नहीं हो सकती। इसके साथ ही विदेश मंत्री ने रूस से तेल खरीदने के मुद्दे पर भी यूरोप को खरी खोटी सुनाई।
Regarding Pakistan, I spent some time with the minister outlining, the nature of our ties, the challenge of cross-border terrorism, and essentially the fact that we engage Pakistan bilaterally on whatever outstanding issues. But the main challenge today is really the fact that we cannot have talks while there is terrorism. And I think there was understanding from the German side in this regard. Fossil fuel imports from Russia. I think first we need to establish the facts very clearly. The European Union between February 24th and 17th November has imported more fossil fuel from Russia than the next 10 countries combined. Just as I were to give you an India comparison, the oil import in European Union is like 6 times what India has imported. Gas is infinity times because we don't import, whereas European Union has imported $50 billion worth, 50 billion euros worth. Even coal imports from Russia by European Union, I'm not singling any particular country, is 50% more than India has imported. So the remark that you made that this is the way the European Union is going and this is the way India is going, I would very respectfully suggest maybe European Union is actually doing something very much more than India is doing at this point of time. Having said that, look, I think we need to have an understanding among governments and frankly even within the media. There is a finite amount of energy resources available in the world. I understand there is a conflict situation. I also understand Europe has a point of view. And Europe will make the choices it will make. That is Europe's right. But for Europe to make choices which prioritizes its energy needs and then ask India to do something else. And bear in mind, today Europe is buying a lot from the Middle East.